This is the back of the pants. You can clearly see here. So if you're going to wear suspenders or braces, I think they call them in the United Kingdom, in the back you're going to need one button here, in each opposing side of the pants. And you're going to need 2 buttons here in the front to hold it. Now, if you have metal suspenders, obviously you would want to clip here and then clip here in the same area, so that way it holds the pants up. And what you're going to do is, if you notice here, this is the back. So you just essentially put the button here, put it on, put the button here, and put it on. All right. And then what I like to do is kind of pull it forward. All right. That way it's not twisted. And then here in the front as well, you just put button there, button here. Gotta pull it forward. If not, it'll slip through, and you don't want it to slip through. You want it to hold, right? And then on the same on the other side. And just like that, you are complete. And another thing you can always do is check to make sure this is facing your shirt. This is facing outward, if that makes sense. So, and there you go. You have suspenders attached to a set of suit pants. Thank you guys very much. I really do appreciate you watching my channel. If today's the day that earned subscription, thank you very much. I do have an Instagram down below that I'm on much more than I am on YouTube. I also have a Patreon channel if you would like to support me. In the following video, these are Spare McKay pants, so I'll have the video of Spare McKay for you guys as the end card. Thank you guys very much, and you'll have a wonderful day.